Today I'm going to teach you how to put a hold on a book in our library using Follett Destiny. So you're going to start in your ClassLink homepage and you're going to go to the link that says Follett Destiny. It has a tree on it. When you do that, it will automatically log you in as yourself into our Destiny Discover platform that we use for our school. So on the upper right hand corner, your name should appear because you went through ClassLink, and now you are able to put books on hold. So in our Destiny Discover site, you can see that we have different categories. We have recently added books, popular titles. You can search by topic. We have our Lightbox books, our ebooks, our audiobooks, and our interactive books. But today I'm going to teach you how to use the hold system for regular paperback and picture books that we have in the library. So I'm going to go to my graphic novels under topics because I know I want to check out a graphic novel. And over here on the left hand side, you can apply different filters. If you want to get more specific and do a search by an author, you can click on author, subject, genre, format, sublocation, accelerated reader, interest level, reading level, series, average rating, pages, whatever of those that you'd like to choose, they're available. So I'm going to do a search by AR because I know that I need to be within my range. So I'm going to start with a 3 and go to a 3.5 and apply this filter. And here I have the books that are available in that range. So let's say I like Galactic Hot Dogs. You can click on it, go to more details. I see that's a 3.8 there. And kind of gives me a little blurb about what it's about, tells me where it's located, and I kind of look at this, I know what I really want, and this is something that I'd like to check out. I can click on hold. And it told me that it was available now. So I've put a hold on this, and with our new procedures because of COVID, the library is going to get this hold that I've just placed, and now all I have to do is sit and wait for it to be delivered. Now give us a couple days to get it to you. We can't do it right the second that you submit it, but we will get it to you as soon as we can. So that is how you put a hold on a book. And that hold will stay there until the book has been delivered to you. We'll check it out to you and then we'll deliver it to you.